Hi, my name is Mary Colenda and welcome to your chair yoga without using your legs. Today we're focusing on our upper body, and this class is also suitable for anyone who is currently in a wheelchair. So we're just finding some movements, some stretches and twists, and let's get started. Let's take a few moments to ground ourselves first. You may bring one hand, then the other to your heart, and you may close your eyes or soften your gaze. Allow yourself to tap into your heart space, place of self-love and compassion. Sometimes in life we lose that connection to our heart due to stress and distractions. You may use the next minutes to deepen that connection with your heart. As you breathe in, feel the vibrancy, the warmth in your heart. Open up your chest. And as you breathe out, find release in your shoulders. One more time, breathe in. Lift up your heart space. And exhale, soften down your shoulders. And open your eyes. And bring your hands to your neck muscles. And just give yourself some self-love. Gently massage your neck muscles. Yep, that's my cat button. Yeah, hi. And if you'd like, you can bring one arm down and just use your other hand to massage your upper trapezius, your upper shoulder. Our shoulders not only carry our head, but sometimes we have emotions sitting on our shoulders that feel heavy and stressful. And that's why we feel so much tension in our shoulders and our neck muscles. And let's switch. Okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Yeah, that feels good. And soften your arm down. And let's find some head rolls. Bring your chin from one side to the other. And you find your own pace here. And come back to center, tilt back and do the same thing. Just roll from one side to the other. Just keep it gentle, please. Please skip any exercise that doesn't feel pleasant and comfortable. Come back to center, please. Bring your right arm up, breathe in, I'm mirroring you. Exhale, bring it around as for assisted stretch and pull over to your right side. And these scaling muscles sometimes get really tight, so this is a nice gentle stretch for these muscles. And breathe in, come back up, and let's switch. Inhale, left arm up. Exhale, pull gently over to your left side this time. Again, these scaling muscles don't need a lot of stretching at all. This is already pretty effective. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my gosh. You're so goofy. And inhale, come back up. Yeah, now bring both hands very lightly onto your shoulders. So breathe in, draw circles with your elbows. Lift up. Exhale, loop your shoulder blades down. And let's do this a few times, really mindfully. And your hands are not doing anything. They're very light on your shoulders. Get some movements in your shoulders, your rotator cuffs, and your back muscles. Just do a few more. Breathe in, lift up. Exhale down. Well, let's do one more. Breathe in and out. Oh my God, button. Okay, so now bring your one arm into the eye of your other arm. So just place it like that. Pull it in gently to feel the stretch in your rotator cuff muscles, the outside muscles of your shoulder. And you go as deep as it feels good for you, please. And let's switch. Place your upper arm into the eye of your other arm. Pull it in gently. Ah, that's really good. All right, let's just shake it out for a second. And now let's do just magic hands. So it could just be like that, magic, yay. Just moving it around a little. And now imagine you want to bring in something. So you just pull it in. Keep pulling it in with your hands, your arms. And then it's gotten too close and you're like, oh, never mind. So let's push it back. You're just magically pushing it back. And then you just roll out your wrists. Some cat hair got into my nose. And the other direction. Ooh. And let's do some wrist stretching. So just drop your one hand down and pull softly down. And let's flip and pull your fingers back. Other side, drop your hand down, gently press into your hand. And then flip it up, same thing. Ooh, that cracked my finger. Nice, oh, cool. All right, now breathe in, reach your right arm up. Exhale, lean over to your left side. Yep, some nice stretch for the muscles in between your rib cage, the intercostal muscles. Keep your shoulders soft, please. And maybe you can keep your core engaged. Breathe in, come up. Exhale, twist. Now guide your right arm around. You can either bring it to your leg or to your armrest. And if you want to, you can hook your other arm behind. But see that you are lifted in your chest and the twist comes more from your core. And come back forward. Breathe in, lift up your left arm, exhale, lean over to your right side. We're stretching again these muscles here. between our rib cages. Ribs. Rib cages, ribs. Keep your core strong, soft in your shoulders. Come back up, inhale. Exhale, twist. Bring your left arm around. And whatever you did before, maybe you had your arm on your armrest, and maybe you also want to hook around. Whatever feels good as you do so. Lift up through your sternum and let the twist come from your core again, please. And slowly come back forward. Breathe in, arms high. Exhale, cactus your arms. Draw your elbows into your side body. Open up your chest. Maybe you want to gaze up. Roll your shoulders down. Open up your heart. Feel your heart. Breathe in, arms high. Exhale, hands to your heart. Thank you, self, for carving out some minutes in your day to give yourself some self-love. Namaste.